previous two sections were, about planning and organizing. Now, this particular section is about coordinating. Now, what is coordinating? Obviously, your ability to communicate with the right people. Now, I'm standing here as your teacher, your instructor who is giving you all the instructions, regarding attempting the course and everything else like that, But, when you are preparing for one particular subject, you have to, be in touch with the teacher, because teachers are the people, who have walked the path as well, and they know ins and outs of the subject. Fine. So they know everything, how to prepare for the exam, what is the curriculum all about, and they are the ones who are to, go to for seeking guidance. Fine. So never miss a chance to ask a question, from the teacher. Be in touch with your teachers, and ask them all the relevant questions. Don't be ashamed, don't think that, that it's a ridiculously simple question, or it's, something, which is not worthy of being asked. No, you have to ask all the questions that are coming to your mind, so that you clarify your mind regarding, all the small things and the big things in the subject, so that you have access to all the knowledge through the teacher. So teachers are, very important. You need to coordinate with your teachers, time and again, on regular basis, in order to get best knowledge, in order to get proficient in the subject, and in order to do, your best in the subject. You need to coordinate with your teachers on regular basis. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next clip.